Glassing with Grizzly. Now that the back is soldered good and proper, it's time to flip, peel, and solder the front side of the UK Iris stained glass project. But first, have you thought to yourself, shoot dang, this guy can sure solder, but he stanks at singing his own intro? The first thing I'd say to you is, this where you want to be when Jesus come back? Making fun of poor little Grizzly? Joe Dirt, what's up? The second thing I'd say is you're in luck. I am opening the floor to anyone who wants to sing their own 3-second version. Send it my way and get featured in future Grizzly glass art videos. All I ask is your sound needs to be in a video format so I could edit that sound into my video. Just send it in a DM on IG or TikTok, and you could totally hear yourself sing the Grizzly glass art intro. Because it's got to be better than me doing it. Now that we got that out of the way, if you saw yesterday's video of my solder lines looking like they were ugly crying, we're taking a different approach today. Not because it's front versus back, but because all of those extra precautions showed me what not to worry about for today. We're still keeping the temp at 360, but instead of just blobbing solder on all willy-nilly, we're slowing down the motion and cleaning up the line before moving on. I still try keeping to the 2-pass rule though, to keep the lines from overheating and melting through to the backside. While we have a minute, let's discuss differences that I've come to find from using paste flux versus gel flux. Biggest takeaway? Each type of flux has its own downsides. But for paste, the biggest downsides for me is the extra time it takes to apply it. And it smokes, which is why I had to turn a fan on, which then, come to find out, ruined the sweet ambiance of sizzling solder sounds. I'm low-key bitter about that one. I don't know if it's because the iron is turned down or if it's the paste flux, but my solder lines are needing an extra pass. Sometimes it's because I just didn't get enough paste onto the foil to begin with, so then I had to apply more. If I'm being honest, I'd just say it's okay. It's not my favorite, but if you don't mind the smoke, you will get less solder bubbles than what I usually get with the gel flux. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you just realized you really enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time.